Hi, Jeff, Agent 509. Thank you so much for joining us. So I'm stuck at home, like all of us, trying to figure out what to do because there's no open houses. So it's hard to make money. So shit, I gotta work on my own house. This is ridiculous. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So I want to show you guys. I got a lot of grime. Can you see that? Right there? And it's kind of like dirt and stuff, you know, it's all up and down. You can kind of see this. So what I did is I bought a material, or I bought this cleaner. I've seen it at Home Depot. You can go get it. Stay 6 feet away when you buy it, all right? And you better get your cart before you go in. Anyway, so here it is, okay? It's called Home Armor Easy Wash. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this. I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, so what you do is you got your hose and you hook into this right here. It's really simple, okay? I can do this one-handed without looking. And then what you see, I'm gonna kind of tighten it in, is that says off, rinse, and you can't see it, sorry, it's not very good, clean. Okay, so we're gonna switch it over here to clean. I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. I'm gonna go back with the rinse cycle, okay? Because you don't want to pull your clothes out without rinsing them, right? So, or leave the soap on when you're showering. So, okay, I'm gonna do this. Let's check it out, okay? Here's the deal. What if you never had a shower all year? Really? Because that's what I'm gonna, okay? Right. So this is like a shower. I'm showering my house, okay? So maybe if you're gonna sell your house, or just say you wanna live in it, because it is worth something, take care of it. What if you didn't shower all year? It'd be bad. All right, so let me go do my job, and let's see how it is, okay? Let's rate it, okay? All right, Jeff, Agent 509. See, I gotta work. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now just what it's doing. So I'm gonna flip you around. All right, so here it is. You can see how it's spraying. It said testing on a little spot. I've used it before, so I wasn't too worried about it. So I'm just gonna get this little area right here. I need to caulk and paint and some areas. I'm gonna get my painter over here, have him do that for me. So, anyways, just kind of cleaning it. You can see what I'm doing here. Super technical, guys. You probably need a license for this. By the way, I have a license to sell real estate. I don't know if you guys knew that. But anyways, okay, over now. Okay, so let me show you the difference that's going on right now. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of show you. So this is the area we washed down. Okay, oh, I missed some spots there. I'm gonna have to go back. And you can see the residue difference. I have not washed this side. Okay, you can just see that. It's pretty dirty. Anyways, I mean, if you hadn't taken a shower in a year, come on, be bad. All right, let's pay attention. Come on, guys. Okay, I got a bad spot. Check this out, man. Look at that. Jeez almighty. What the hell have I been doing around this house? Anyways, I gotta get rid of the people that do this. Time to get some new people. I understand. All right, pay attention, guys. You learned something today. It's gonna make you money. Well, actually, it might make your wife happy. Okay? All right, bye. All right, so I'm waiting 10 minutes. I don't know what to do. Oh, wait. I know what to do. Hold on. Right here. Hey, check this out. Hey. All right, guys, so right now we're doing it's been 10 minutes and we're spraying it. I ran into a little problem though. Okay, see that? So I kind of hit that up top, that wood, and look what it's doing. So I'm gonna have to, it's basically bleeding, and it's gonna bleed onto my window and under the deal. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So one of the things, when anything you're doing, right, no matter what, especially me, because always something breaks. It doesn't matter. I think the most important part is that you're doing, okay? Because right here, I didn't do anything and it was a mess, right? So now when you see this, it's gonna be all nice. I'll do a quick walkthrough, okay? So, hey, people are happy. Hi, all right, cool. All right, bye. All right, so we finished, okay? So let's go walk you through. You see that stain? Look at that. So that's from the shingles. So I mean, it's getting serious. So I did something, created another problem. Typical, right? Okay, so all clean though. You can see this, really nice. Look at here, all that grit. So I'll wipe that down. Wham, that's called a win right there. Ooh, 3 points or hat trick. Soccer, you know, I got those all the time. No big deal. Not much for 3-pointers, but hat tricks all day. Just ask my friends. They know. All right, now I washed it down right there. Put it on rinse, sprayed it. Okay, bought this. It was $6. This is squeegee. Okay, so I'm gonna take the windows. I'm gonna take the squeegee, push everything down. Okay. Okay, and I'll take the rag, okay, and I'll wipe all this down, go all the way around. That way, you get all that right there. Can you see that, guys? Clean all that up, okay? So the result will be like this. So it's all clean. And then go back over it again, you know. Takes a couple times. Okay. Huh! It was another goal. Hat trick plus. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, so I'll get done. Maybe I'll guys do you a quick tour, and I just want to tell you what I'm doing with no open houses. Agent 509 can't do open houses, so I guess the next best thing is work on mine. Okay, all right, hope it inspires you. Whatever the house, whatever kind, no matter what, if you got questions on it, we will help you. We will bring you to figure out what you should do to improve it. Okay, that's what it's all just a simple equation. We will help you with that. Nice thing about a house is you can make a lot of changes. They don't cost a lot of money. A lot of times it's that first step. That's the hard part. And then consistency, sticking with it. So if you can do the first step and stay with it, you're a winner, man. You can do anything. All right, I'm Jeff, Agent 509. See ya.